Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look here. It's giving off chocolate bronzy vibes. I did mention in my previous video that I will do another look with the Confidence Profusion palette, and this is the look that I came up with. So I really hope you guys enjoy how this look turned out. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. Now let's go ahead and get into this. Okay guys, the first shadow I'm going into is Secure. It's a vibrant pigmented orange, so I'm going in with a light hand and slowly building it up. I'm placing it into my transition area.
When I met you in the summer, and I came to your town, we fell in love, then we burned it to the ground, and we could be together, baby, but I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now.
The next color is Bombshell, which is a rich fudge brown, and I'm placing this into my outer V as well as my crease. And just like the last shadow, I'm going to build the color up. You can make it as light or as dark as you like.
Summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know, cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just trying to party, live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time I met you in the summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love, then we burned it to the ground, and we could be together, baby.
Now I'm cutting my crease.
I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer,
And I blend in the edges of the outer V. For my lid color, I'm using Backlash. This shadow is gorgeous. I wish you guys could see it in person.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles, you can come on the tour bus.
And be sure to blend the outer V and lid shade to avoid any harsh lines.
Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to, cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot.
Now I did my liner and lashes off camera, but for my lower lash line, I'm using the Shadow Bite, and then I applied mascara, and we're done.
You in the summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.
And we